Welcome, genius! Are you ready to play Funny Riddles Level 1? There are 20 riddles in this video. Let's begin. What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty?
That's funny!
A blackboard. What helps you keep your teeth together? Toothpaste. Why did the boy throw a bucket of water out the window? He wanted to see the waterfall. Why did the truck driver drive off the edge of the cliff? He wanted to test his air brakes. What has two hands and a face? A clock. What can be measured, but has no length, width, or thickness? Your temperature. What doesn't ask questions, but needs to be answered?
That's funny!
The telephone. What comes down, but never goes up? Rain. What has teeth, but can't chew? A comb. What goes up and down but doesn't move? A staircase. Why did the boy put his radio in the refrigerator? He wanted to hear cool music. What can you serve, but never eat? A tennis ball. How many feet are there in a yard?
That's funny!
It depends on how many people are standing in it. Which hand should you stir the soup with? Neither. You should use a spoon. What's the best way to win a race?
Yahoo!
Run faster than anyone else. What has no beginning and no end? A circle. Why did the chicken cross the road? To to get to the other side. Why do lions eat raw meat? Because they can't cook. Why do we dress baby boys in blue and baby girls in pink? Because they can't trust themselves. Who can jump higher than a house?
That's funny!
Anyone. A house cannot jump. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please type in the comment box. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next interesting game. Thanks, genius.